What to do if someone unrelated is withholding documents and denies having them? Well, it depends on the type of document. So let's start with its passport identification documents. Then you need to file what's called an order on petition. It's a request to the court for the return of your documents. And that you could do through the typing center, or you can do through your own court portal. But you do need to show, if it's a passport, then basically just allege that such and such person has your passport and they have not returned it. If it's another kind of document, then what we have seen recently with the courts is that the courts want proof that you've actually handed over that document. Now, that proof can come in many different ways, one of which is, for example, even a WhatsApp exchange or email exchange where the other side acknowledges that they have your document. So that alone will, I mean, if you have that kind of evidence, then you can present that, and on the basis of that, you can request for the order on petition, and that's basically, that's the court's decision that will lead to ordering or mandating the other party to release the document to you. Now, that decision of itself is just a decision, right? It's just a piece of paper. So the next step with that decision would be to take it to the police, and then the police acts on it. So they will call the person. If the person doesn't bring the document, then they will place them on a travel ban and even file a case against them. So that's kind of how the mechanism works. But in most cases, what we've seen is that whenever you have a decision by the civil court mandating for the party to return the document, that in itself is sufficient for them to wake up and return your passport or whatever the documents may be. One thing, though, is for these kinds of orders in petition, what the courts do want to see is that you've given the other side some kind of notification and an X number of days to return the documents to you. So, for example, what you need to do is write to them either by email or WhatsApp and demand that they give you your passport back, or demand that they give you Emirates ID back, or whatever other document it is, and give them 5 days. And if they don't give it to you within the 5 days, and then you can include that email, that WhatsApp communications as evidence, as part of your request to the court.